हर हर महादेव। तो दोस्तों आज का रिएक्शन है
बहुत ज्यादा खास
सलमान खान एंड आमिर खान का एक मीटअप हुआ है
AR मुरुदु सर के साथ।
यस ये कहा जा रहा है कि
गजनी मीट्स सिकंदर
यस और ये जोड़ी हमने बहुत पहले देखी थी अंदाज
बोलो किस पे
यस ठीक है और कहा जा रहा है वो भी रिलीज होने वाली है। अब कब होगी कैसे होगी
हो सकता है कि ये उसका एक हिंट हो
वी हैव नो आइडिया क्योंकि हमने पहले देखा नहीं।
पार्ट 2 भी बने
कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो भाई शुरू करते हैं देन बात करते हैं।
वैसे एक बात बता दूं भाई आमिर खान ना आजकल एड में तो छाए हुए हैं।
हाँ?
उनका एक ड्रीम 11 वाला एड आया था
यस भाई धासु था।
ठीक है अब
ये है और उससे पहले एक आया था आदि मानव बन करके कैवमैन वाला वो भी भाई मतलब कुछ ना कुछ करके वो है ही
लाइमलाइट में रहता ही
है ही। तो भाई चलो शुरू करते हैं देन बात करते हैं। लेट्स गो।
हैंडसम लग रहा है यार। कंफ्यूज हो गया।
सही फॉरगॉट to ask her.
सिकंदर meets गजनी।
Such a legend director. I'm getting nervous, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Sir.
One wrong question and you will not do his film. Yeah. Sir, my question is, between Salman and me, who's the real Sikandar?
Who's the real Sikandar?
Sikandar is already I done, sir. So Sikandar is.
Salman is the real Sikandar.
Sir.
Oh
I'm
my.
going home here. I heard के बाद ऐसा कलंदर बना लेते हैं ना। मस्त कलंदर।
मस्त
He is the real Sikandar.
Is in the film is a Sikandar.
I'm joking. Of course, he is a Sikandar in real life. कुछ गलत नहीं बोल रहा। He's Sikandar. अच्छा मैनेज किया।
अच्छा मैनेज किया।
So sir, who's a better dancer between Salman and me? Sir, with the ribs broken, also tell me who's better dancer. Sir, who's a better dancer?
So he broken his. So that time.
Sir, he breaks his ribs. He breaks other people's ribs. I'm not asking that. Who's better dancer? Salman.
There is one holy song, sir. In the end credit also.
He's danced
yeah,
well.
in Becca you did well, very well, sir.
No, but who's better dancer? He's better dancer.
No, not like that,
I think so. Even I think so. So he's Sikandar. He's better dancer. Who's better action, sir? He's better in action.
Better action. Sir.
Again, he's better than action.
So you ask
Sir, I'm useless, sir. You are not.
So you asking same question in this side only, sir.
Who's better actor? Who's more hardworking? Who's more sincere? All the boring things. Huh? All the boring things. No, sir. Acting actor also, he's better. Have you seen that?
The crying and all, sir. Crying scene, emotional scene. So without glycerin, yeah.
I also do without glycerin.
That is because of you, sir. That is because I just see you and I just see. Like,
When he sees you, he feels like crying, sir.
Oh my God. Old Sikandar's bow is on his head. And he's got to go back to his wife and child. And then come back in the day again. And again have to tolerate me on set.
No, but I've seen his emotional scenes are outstanding.
Yeah. So for only close up, silent shot crying is very difficult to act, sir. When with other actors with the dialogue,
It's easier to
it is easier to cry. When only close up, some voiceover, AD is giving some voiceover, so you can suddenly crying. And slowly with the dialogue, it's coming out, the tears coming out.
He's done that in this film.
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Wow. Who's the actress in the film?
Rashmika Mandanna.
Rashmika.
Very effective.
Yeah,
Very
good actor.
Yeah, very good.
Very good, very good, very good,
Oh.
very hardworking. She's amazing, this girl. Although I remember in Hyderabad also, she was shooting with us from 7 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning. And she used to get ready for, I think Pushpa she was shooting at that time.
Fever also.
Yeah, Fever also. Pushpa she was shooting.
Fever भी
She used
था।
to shoot all day for Pushpa and she used to come back and shoot with us. So the only time that she used to get is the driving time in the car from one location to other. That reminded me of my.
अपने टाइम की याद
पुराना टाइम।
We have all done it. We have all done it.
2 shifts, 3 shifts. How many songs, sir?
So we have 4 songs, sir.
4 songs. Okay.
Songs also turned out good. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, one song with I broke my ribs and then we put it. We shoot the shot the next day.
Oh,
I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, I couldn't
I think ये
cough,
Jora
I
Seven
couldn't
वाला
laugh,
हाँ,
nothing. So, वो जो step एक
In
step
the moment itself, he did like that.
Yeah. No, it came it came like that. So I said, chalo, just for X's sake.
When all the dances,
Actually, ये था.
हमें-
चलो ये.
all the dances.
all are doing same.
Yeah.
Was it a very challenging film to shoot? This one?
Yeah, sir. So railway station we shot night to day. So we had to security issues there. So we had to take the real location, 200 people,
Right.
full building,
Right.
everyone watching in the balcony.
Right.
So,
ये सिक्योरिटी पर तामझाम काफी था because real locations थे, outdoor था, so we had to be very careful.
yeah.
But yeah, God grace of God.
मतलब
went
इसने
well.
गजनी भी किया था इसके साथ है
One of it.
तो टाइम
किसके
पहले
साथ
ही
काम करके मजा आया? Who did you like working with better? Me or Salman? All honest answers.
Yeah, it's very easy question. sir.
Huh? It's easy. What is the answer?
Me.
Who is better to work with?
Both.
बहुत
Both.
Then you
थोड़ा
got
सा,
it.
थोड़ा सा. Little bit. Who gave you less trouble?
Sir.
Who gave you less trouble?
अच्छा, who came on set on time?
हाँ?
I asked you a question. But who finished work before?
Sir.
Irritating, sir. Oh, he's come on set. My mood is spoiled.
Sir, what is this?
But just tell me, I want to know how was the experience working with Salman? Now,
हाँ.
without joking,
हाँ,
seriously.
पहली बार
See,
हो
we've
रहा है
not worked
ना
after Andaz Apna Apna.
हाँ, हम लोगों को
हाँ.
25 साल हो
Yeah, 25 years. So we also want to know.
गए. I want to know how it is to work with him again. So, how was the experience working?
Sir, working with him is very good experience with him, sir.
Yeah. What are the main things about him you felt while working with him?
So he has a separate aura. So he has very good.
Separate
like
aura.
hero-
ये तो भाई
हाँ.
So Salman
Presence.
is presence. When he comes to set, we can feel it. So like that. So,
Audience wants to see him as their hero. So it doesn't matter which personality, like whether it's Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
correct.
whether it's Sultan, they want to see him as a hero.
Yeah, that's
Or
true.
they
Correct,
don't like
correct.
to see him anything other than a hero.
Yeah.
Someone who can look after
Correct.
people,
Yeah, larger than
बात
life.
सही
larger
है.
than life. Someone who can protect.
Yeah.
They like to see him like that.
Correct.
And that's what he made.
That's what you mean.
It's basically जो अपने जो मेरी genre का film है,
हाँ.
but थोड़ी सी sensibilities वगैरह
हाँ.
हाँ
तो story अलग है, but वो heroes हैं, वो mass, वो एक emotion, humor,
Correct.
वो सब intact.
तेरा experience कैसा रहा?
मेरा
सर के साथ
experience,
काम करके.
मेरा experience सर के साथ काम करते हैं.
कैसा रहा?
सर की पिक्चर है यार,
हाँ.
वो पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी बनाई है. तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा ही होगा.
What is saying, sir?
He had a good
I'm
experience.
saying I'll show you what my experience working with you is.
Yeah.
This is my experience.
मैंने notice किया था कि ये एकदम ऐसा इसका filter नहीं है. If I give him an
हाँ.
idea and he didn't like it, yes, very bad. Taste is like that. So when Salman gives suggestion, same way without filter, you tell him also.
You should ask him, sir.
हाँ? ये without filter करता है तेरे सामने कि filter लगाता है. I think in front of Salman you are putting filter. You are putting filter in front of Salman.
What suggestion? What suggestion? He's a good man. He gets upset also, and then he's like, inside.
So that's a remarkable quality. He's got a very childlike excitement about getting the film right.
No, see, he's very interested in the kind of work that he wants to do.
सिंपल है यार इतना बड़ा
And
डायरेक्टर
very clear what he wants.
तो सिंपल मैं बोल रही हूँ.
And then if you suggest one and it makes sense to him, in a second he will take it.
Correct. Yeah, that right.
हाँ.
Just because language is a little bit problem, okay? So then he has just to understand. Sometimes he's taught in Tamil, okay? Tamil, that dialogue is a super hit dialogue, okay? But it loses the charm in translation.
Correct.
यस
हाँ.
एकदम सही बात
That
Yes.
dialogue here and then becomes a cliche dialogue. So then our job is to just slightly give it a edge, that punch on it. So that when he understands the punch, he says, superb, go ahead, do it. Or when he says, no, this is the way I want it.
Screenplay,
Yes.
he pays a lot of attention.
And what he's shooting, and his cutaways are amazing. So we've shot our scene and gone. And after that, he's taken these close-ups and he's taken that and he's, taken this insert. So all that makes the scene. Next, there's a whole rally sequence that I've done in the film. I'm sitting in a taxi only. And ird-gird mein jo ho raha hai, wo to obviously I didn't even know when I saw it. So, wow. Yeah. That whole rally sequence and that.
So you remember Gajni had released. And Gajni had become a big success.
Yes, sir.
And we had a success party. Salman had come.
Yeah.
And he had gifted me 2 paintings which he had made.
Yes.
Of.
You kept in your
I've got it at home.
Yeah.
दो paintings बनाई थी Salman.
Yes.
Really beautiful.
Yeah, sir. The shaved head.
Yeah. So what is the main thrust of the story, sir?
Here, husband and wife love, that affection will be fresh for that.
How nice.
Basically,
इसका emotion बहुत strong होता है.
Yeah, राजा की कहानी है. राजा मतलब कि how many hearts he wins, right? And जहाँ पर भी जाओ, king is always going to be उस type का concept.
Yeah.
Whenever he goes, he's going to be a king. So, lot of action,
Yeah.
Yes.
lot of
हस्बैंड वाइफ बेस्ड वो
हाँ.
twist and turns.
Your film is releasing.
Yes, sir.
What is the date of the release, sir?
This month, 30th.
30th.
Yes.
Salman, 30th को release हो रही है. So what are your emotions and feelings just before the release? What are your feelings right now?
So, same like Gajni. So before 1 week, you will be that
Very
hard.
stressed.
Yeah. The release. Yes.
सुपर हिट
tension
होगी
होती
मुझे
सुपर हिट ब्लॉकबस्टर होगा भाई
होगी.
देखो 500
काम
करोड़ तो
कर
लिखो
लिया
लिख
now.
के.
See, our work was till the time we finished the film. Now our work has extended to making people aware that this film is coming on such and such day. Once that is over and you've given it your best, uske baad, you get the film. Then that film has its own destiny, the film has its own journey.
A lot of expectations, sir, from audience.
Yeah,
You're eagerly awaiting your film with Salman. And so are we. सलीम साहब को बुलाएं. आदाब सलीम साहब. Thank you for joining us. हम बात कर रहे हैं सिकंदर की जो फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है सलमान और मुर्गदास की. तो किसी भी फिल्म, कोई भी फिल्म हो, उसकी प्री रिलीज के जब रिलीज होने आती है तो जाहिर है डायरेक्टर और पूरा कास्ट और क्रू स्ट्रेस होता है, उनको नर्वसनेस होती है, फिल्म चलेगी नहीं चलेगी.
लग रहा है रॉकस्टार है.
ऐसे
वो भी
मोमेंट
being उसके
क्या
पहले being human.
एडवाइस दें?
देखिए, कोई भी काम करें आप, कोई भी, तो एक नर्वसनेस शुरू में होती है. उसमें तो ये नहीं कि सर मुझे ये हो रही है. दैट्स द ह्यूमन
टेंडेंसी.
हाँ, तो लेते हैं, तो वो तो है. तो अगर ये सोच के चलो कि सबको होता है, हम भी हो रहा है.
नॉट अलोन. पिक्चर देखी आपने?
अभी वाली?
हाँ अभी वाली
देखी.
कैसी लगी आपको?
एक्चुअली तो बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट है दैट के जो इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा,
वही चीज
आप क्या करते हैं,
क्यूरियोसिटी,
ऑल दैट.
क्लिपिंग बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ, इफ यू होल्ड क्या यहाँ रुक गए, देन दैट इज
सिकंदर. अच्छा टाइटल है.
Yes.
It's a great title.
टाइटल अच्छा.
Sajid sir, producer Sajid sir.
अच्छा, Sajid has suggested the name.
Yes, sir.
Sajid, then you are working after Kick.
After Kick.
How is it working with Sajid here?
Amazing.
Huh? He's a
Amazing.
good producer.
I think he's one of the better producers there. He knows his job. He knows means like वो साजिद उस टाइप का प्रोड्यूसर है ना कि एक्टर सेट पे आता था तो बैग दिखाते थे कि पैसे आ गए, so the actor used to finish his work and go over, and Sajid before pack up is good. Next day वापस से बैग.
मिलेंगे नहीं.
How was your experience working with Sajid?
Very good.
Yeah, he's a good producer.
First I narrated, so he liked it.
Right.
Then we came
To Salman.
Yeah.
No, और साजिद का जो प्लॉट का सेंस है ना बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा. एंड और हर जॉनर की बना रहा है वो. कॉमेडी भी बना रहा है, हाउसफुल बना रहा है,
हाउसफुल. हाँ.
And music sense.
आगे भी बना रहा है वो.
Music.
फिर दिस आल्सो
सिकंदर भी.
सो म्यूजिक का सेंस भी अच्छा है. कंप्लीट ऑलराउंडर. देखो जब एक आदमी आता है इंडस्ट्री में एक्टर बनने के लिए एंड देन ही डिसाइड्स कि एक्टर नहीं बनूंगा, I will become a producer. Okay?
Oh,
So then उसमें वो heroism वाली
Actor
बात,
बनने
because
आया
he
था.
also at some
Feels
film-
that.
feels that if I was in the film industry, I would have liked to be portrayed like this.
Like this.
So then he knows
इसलिए
that
sense
hero,
बहुत
what
अच्छा
is
है।
hero's aim, and what is emotion. And I think as soon as we grow older, you know, emotion थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आने लगता है. You know, आँखों में आंसू थोड़ी सी जल्दी आ जाती
आ जाते
हैं. You know,
हैं।
sir. And small things also make you really happy. So I think that is a very good touching point for the audience.
Yeah. So Sajas has a good sense.
And इस film में we have everything for everyone.
Right.
We have it for the heroes, we have it for the wives, we have it for the girlfriends. तो हर एक के लिए इस फिल्म में हर एक
कुछ
के
है।
लिए हर एक जॉनर के लिए
हर एक के
काजल
लिए
अग्रवाल शायद
ईद की भी
करते हैं।
रिलीज है, स्क्रिप्ट भी अच्छी है, एक्शन भी बहुत तगड़ा है, यू नो गाने भी बहुत अच्छे हो गए हैं. सो एवरीथिंग इज लाइक अ होल कंप्लीट पैकेज.
Yeah.
ये
कंप्लीट पैकेज है,
आपको
हर कोई
हीरोइज्म
रिलेट
भी
कर
देगी
सकता
ये
है.
फिल्म, ये आपको रुलाएगी भी ये फिल्म, ये आपको एक एलिवेट भी करेगी फिल्म.
What is Salman's favorite film of yours? जो सलमान ने की है?
ये सलमान की सब में से फिल्म ये अपना ये
बजरंगी.
बजरंगी भाईजान.
बजरंगी भाईजान.
हाँ,
बजरंगी भाईजान
क्या?
काम भी बहुत अच्छा किया,
बहुत कमाल है.
seriously।
बहुत अच्छा
हाँ,
काम किया.
बजरंगी भाईजान
और पिक्चर भी
बहुत
बहुत
बहुत अच्छी बनी है. और मेरी फिल्मों से आपको मेरी कौन सी फिल्म पसंद है?
आपकी फिल्मों में जैसे मुझे जो फिल्में अच्छी जो लगी हैं वो
लगान.
हाँ
लगान बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है. लगान बहुत अच्छी थी.
बहुत अच्छी. बहुत से उसमें ऐसे नई बातें थी कि जो पहले नहीं हुई थी.
जी.
अभी एक और कर रहे हैं, अभी रिलीज हो जाएगी
सितारे
सितारे
सितारे का
सितारे जमीन पे. यस,
बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है. मैंने सुनी है इनकी
तो
कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
फिल्म बनाने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही रीजन चाहिए कि आई गॉट
स्क्रिप्ट.
Great script.
Great script.
Life on it.
यस.
अभी इस पिक्चर में सिकंदर में आपके 2 डायलॉग डाले हो मैंने. एक तो ये दीवार का कोई अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं है जो फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता,
वाह,
वो डाला है. और फिर एक और डाला है कि आप हमें बाहर ढूंढ रहे हो और हम आपके घर में आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं. दोनों दीवार के ही हैं.
दीवार मूवी के
थोड़ा
ना.
सा ट्विस्ट देकर.
So sir, 30th of March,
Yes, sir.
full excitement.
Yes.
We are all excited, sir. It will be Eid also.
Yeah.
It will be a lovely occasion to watch
Yes.
Salman back in the theaters. I'm fully ready to
सलमान
enjoy.
बैक इन द थिएटर.
Sir, you know when I go to see his films, you know I take a whistle with me.
Oh.
आपको पता है? क्योंकि मेरे को सीटी मारना नहीं आती.
Take-
I want to whistle, I can't whistle, so I take a prrrr.
अच्छा, वो वाली विसिल.
लड़की आस पास रखे
सीटी मारनी है.
अपना
So all the very best,
पापा
sir.
भी मस्त
Thank you,
है.
sir.
I think the audience and the public are really looking forward and they're waiting for this film. And
Okay.
Salman, all the best, man.
Thank you. And it's really sweet of him. I just spoke to him. ऐसे यार कुछ इसके ऊपर कुछ करना है थोड़ा सा सिकंदर के ऊपर. ऐसे because you know you worked with Murga Dost and I'm working with him right now. In a second he says कि tomorrow 1:30 we'll do it. Very nice of him.
अच्छा, ये
But all the very best,
Okay.
guys.
क्या बोला था?
Sir,
Thank you so much.
all the best.
अब इन दोनों का कुछ ना कुछ तो
Super hit
होगा.
होगा.
हो सकता है, हो सकता
Break all records.
है।
भाई
हाँ।
मजा आया सुन के, क्योंकि पता है क्या, आमिर खान ना इजीली इतना मतलब खुल के सामने नहीं आते हैं. यूजुअली वो अपने एक सर्कल में रहते हैं, विच इज वेरी गुड. और वो बहुत ही हर चीज को ना बहुत ही बारीकी से देखते हैं.
बहुत
ठीक है, उन्होंने अगर सिकंदर को लेके इतना एफर्ट डाला है, इट मींस समथिंग इज देयर.
और देखो मैं ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा. मुझे जहां तक लग रहा है ये जो बातचीत है ना, जो भी इनकी बीच में बातचीत है, ये तो इतना समझ में आ गया कि भाई फिल्म में पकड़ के रखेगा आपको.
पकड़ के रखेगा.
और
फिल्म
दूसरी-
ऐसी है जो हर चीज आपको देगी.
और दूसरी वाली बात, इस फिल्म में आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. मांस मसाला मिलेगा, डांस मिलेगा, गाना मिलेगा, रोमांस मिलेगा, इवन रोना धोना
सब होगा. इट्स बोला ना कंप्लीट पैकेज. तो हम
Exactly.
बहुत जल्दी, यानी कि अब मंडे को 30 तारीख को थिएटर्स में देखने के लिए जाएंगे, ईद वाले दिन. आप लोग जा रहे हैं, प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन पे
Exactly.
जरूर बताइएगा. अपने रिक्वेस्ट भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन पे ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे
डीएम भी कर सकते. देखो फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो तो हम जाने वाले हैं. हम तो कहते हैं कि आप लोग भी आ जाओ दिल्ली,
हाँ,
चलते हैं
साथ में चलेंगे. तो भाई प्लीज अपनी राय सजेशन दीजिए.
Yes.
और हम मिलेंगे अगले
अगले
वीडियो
वीडियो
में.
में. टाटा, बाय.